Here is how we can make a password shorter on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the passcode on the iPhone is likely going to be 6 digits for you when you are when you are unlocking the iPhone, but you can make it shorter and make it go to 4 digits instead. And this can all be managed inside of the settings when you go to the Face ID and passcode section, authenticate yourself with the existing one, and you can then perform some changes. Right, so you can change it for the Face ID and all of that. But when you click on a change passcode, you can see that at first you type in the current one as well, and by default you will see that it's gonna push the 6-digit one because that is the more secure option. But you can click on the passcode options below and choose either the 4-digit or 6-digit, even a custom numeric code or a custom alphanumeric code. So the alphanumeric means that you can also type in the words and like letters, not just the numbers, but then the 4-digit and 6 digits are pretty self-explanatory. So I personally use the 4-digit. 6-digit is more secure, obviously, but yeah, you can change and decide whichever one you want to keep using. So that is all from me. I really hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.